Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing your highlights in X. Highlights allow you to showcase your best moments and important updates. So let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to launch the app and ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Look for the account icon in the top left corner of the app. Give it a tap to access your account settings and profile. Step 3. In your profile, you'll find a slider below your name, picture, and bio. Tap on Profile and then select Highlights from the slider options. By viewing your highlights in X, you can curate and display your most significant moments, achievements, or updates. It's a great way to personalize your profile and share your story with others. Remember to update your highlights regularly to keep your profile fresh and engaging. X's highlight feature allows you to showcase the best of your content and create a visually appealing profile. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to view your highlights in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.